Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name? My
name Harry.
Harry. Very good. Tell me please, how old are you?
I'm 6.
6. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Good job. Give me a 5. Bam. Very nice. Okay, we start with some letters. Harry, tell me please, what letter is this?
C.
Okay. Sound? What letter is this?
E.
E. Sound?
A.
Very good. What letter is this?
L.
Sound?
L.
Very nice. Now let's talk about some words. Tell me, what is this?
Apple.
Apple. What's the letter for apple?
A.
A. Very nice. What's this?
Elephant.
What's the letter for the elephant?
E.
E. Very good. What about this?
How.
Hat.
H.
What's the letter for hat?
H.
Very nice, Harry. Good. What about this animal? What's that?
Cat.
Cat. Choose the letter.
C.
Nice. That one is?
O.
Bull. Starts with
B.
B. Very good. What about this?
Robot.
Robot. Starts with letter
R.
R. Very nice, Harry. What color is that, Harry?
Yellow.
Yellow. What's the letter
Y.
for yellow? Y. What animal?
Tiger.
Tiger. What's the letter?
T.
T. Very good. What's the animal?
Octopus.
Octopus. What's the letter?
O.
Very good. Now let's spell some words. What's this?
Sun.
Sun. Harry, spell sun.
S. U. N.
Very nice. What about this?
Monkey.
Monkey. How do you spell monkey?
M. O. N. K. E. Y.
That's good job. What about this?
Frog.
Fox. How do we spell
Frog.
it? F.
F. O. H.
Good job. All right, Harry. We're going to write some words, but let's read them first. What's this?
Igloo.
Igloo. This is?
Blue.
And this one is?
Lion.
Lion. Okay. Now please write them down. Next one here, please.
Yes.
And one more over here, please. Let's read them together with you, okay, Harry? Tell me, this one is?
Igloo.
Igloo. This one is?
Zoo.
Zoo. And this is?
Lion.
Lion. Thank you very much, Harry. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Ah.